guys, Tiffany here from Kate Spade talking to you about Make It Mine. I'm so excited about all the new flaps and customization, and I have a little surprise and delight for you as well. But first things first, click here and subscribe because you and we got a thing going on, right? Okay, Make It Mine. So we have some new designs and new flaps. So excited about it. I'm going to first show you the medium bag, but I also want you to click and start shopping because we also have a backpack as well that is so sleek and so great. All right, so I want to show you a couple of different things about this bag. First things first, she comes just like so with a strap. She has amazing capacity inside with the interior zipper. But what is so great is you're going to just take this flap right off. You see that there's 3 snaps, super easy. This is also removable. And you're thinking, yeah, Tiff, I know, but you didn't know this, Sister Sledge. Ta-da! This is also customization. How fantastic, you can swap out the little hearts. So today I'm going to put the pink heart, and this is a magnetic. So it's just really super easy to get on. You just follow it, and you see how it just sucked that heart right up? It's very, very easy and very durable. And so now I'm going to use the leopard. So just as a best practice, what I like to do is I like to just put the snap right next to it and take my thumb and just press in. And then I'm doing the other side as well. Okay, so now we have that on. We have the pink heart, and then you have so many different straps you can choose from. So we could do a little matchy-matchy leopard, but also this chain. And let me tell you, ladies, something. If you don't have this removable chain, click and start shopping right now. You can put this chain not only on your handbags, but also on so many of your SLGs. I see so many ladies using it on your SLGs as well, and they can turn a lot of different things. There's so much versatility in this chain strap. I love it. And what is really particularly fantastic about Make It Mine is it's so good for traveling. I travel so much now. I can have 1 handbag, 3 flaps. Everybody thinks I brought 3 handbags. They think I'm a fancy pants. You know what? I like it. There are also some other flaps. You want to click and start shopping. I'm just going to show you a couple today. There's this amazing Nicola spade floral pattern, which I just love. Very classic. And then we also have novelty. Look how fantastic. Look at the little kitty cat. Meow. Isn't she fantastic? But what I love is it gives you so many different options. If you're in a leopard mood, you got leopard. If you're in a cat mood, you wear a cat. What do you guys think? What's your favorite? Have you shopped? Which ones did you get today? What's your favorite? All right, I want to hear from you. I'll see you guys soon.